everybody, it's your girl Yachty Girl Flavor, and I am back. So it's a Friday afternoon. Normally we wouldn't cook on Fridays. When I was growing up in Jamaica, we will be able to buy something from the jerkman at the corner of the road or something. So today I'm like, let me just make my own and bring back some childhood memories. So here I have some fish that was a special at our farmers market, and I have a festival mix, and I have a green plantain. So let's get into dinner. So my fish has already been washed with lemon and vinegar. So I'm just gonna season it. Here I am adding some olive oil. Then I'm gonna add my seasoned blend. I'm just making sure that olive oil gets all over it. So you guys just stick around and watch and see how this Friday dinner turned out. So here I am. Normally I'll make the regular escovitch sauce, but I wanted to do something different and unique. So instead of doing the regular onion and carrots, I did onion, carrots, some fresh corn off the cob. I add some bell peppers and some lettuce and cucumbers. Here I am just frying up my green plantain. Then after that I am going to fry my festival and also fry my fish. Definitely a comforting Friday meal to bring back memories. So as you guys can see, this is what we ended up with. I ended up had some rice too, and make a quick vegetable fried rice to go with our meal as well. So we have festival, fried green plantain or fish, and some vegetable fried rice. Definitely filling, definitely comforting. This was an awesome Friday afternoon meal. Check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. See you on the next one.